Welcome students. In this class, we will discuss about power flow in a coaxial cable. Consider a coaxial cable. It consists of two cables, inner cable and outer cable. From figure, A is the radius of inner cable, B is the radius of outer cables. A steady current I passes through the inner cable resistance and then to the outer cables. From Ampere's law, we know that line integral of H dot dl is equal to I. Here integral of dl is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, LHS of these equations becomes integral of H dot dl is equal to H into 2 pi r. So, you can write H into 2 pi r is equal to I enclosed by that path. That is, the equation 1 becomes H into 2 pi r is equal to I. Therefore, H is equal to I by 2 pi r. So, mark it as equations 1. Then, the electric field strength of a coaxial cable is given by E is equal to V divided by R ln V by A. The second module നിങ്ങൾ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു കപ്പാസിറ്റൻസ് ഓഫ് കോയാക്സിൽ കേബിൾ. അവിടെ ഡിറൈവ് ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു ഇക്വേഷൻസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ. നമുക്കിത് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാണ്. E is equal to V divided by R ln V by A. It is marked as equations number 2. From Poynting theorem, power flow per unit area is given by P is equal to E cross H. That is equal to EH sin theta. Since E and H are perpendicular to each other, therefore theta is equal to 90 degree, sin 90 is equal to 1, sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, P is equal to EH. Substitute the value of E and H to the above equation. Therefore, P is equal to the value of E is equal to V by R ln B by A. Then H is equal to I by 2 pi R. Therefore, above equation becomes P is equal to V divided by R ln B by A into I divided by 2 pi R. Then, total power flowing in the coaxial cable is given by integrating the Poynting vector. So, power P is equal to surface integral of P dot ds. Let the elemental surface ds is equal to 2 pi r. It is due to the electric field radially coming out of the closed surface of circumference 2 pi r and magnetic field concentrated to the 2 pi r. So, ds is equal to 2 pi r dr. Therefore, the above equation becomes surface integral of P dot 2 pi r dr, the limit a to b. Therefore, integral of a to b v divided by r ln b by a into I by 2 pi r into 2 pi r dr. 2 pi r and 2 pi r cancelled. Then vi divided by ln b by a take outside. So, we get vi divided by ln b by a integral of a to b 1 by r dr. Integral of 1 by r dr is equal to ln r limit a to b. Therefore, the above equations vi divided by ln b by r ln upper limit, that is b, minus ln into a, that is vi into ln b by a into ln b by a. Then cancelled the common terms. Therefore, we get P is equal to V into I. This shows that the power flow along the cable is the product of voltage and current. Thank you.